Alright, peeps, here's what we got for today. See that snow melt running off, pulling up. Look at that red funk. It's pretty cool, actually. Here's where I was a little bit off the road the other day. So I dug through and went on out. Made it though. It's ooey gooey. We're gonna get the sled out, see if there's enough snow down a hill somewhere to go sledding. It's really wet snow because of the temperature. Like it's got that nice crunch sound to it. I'm not letting the birds out today. I'm just gonna feed and water them in the coop. See what the pond looks like. That's delicious. Old plank's got snow on it. Nice clear spot. Oh, goodness, excuse me. Clear spot where the birds had something to eat during the storm. That's nice. I'm glad they made use of that. That's nice. Oh, I'm in the light. Okay. You're gonna be fine until you fall in.
No, it's hard as a rock.
Hard as a rock, huh? I see water on top of spots. This boy, I tell you what. Oh, yeah, you're fine. Yeah, it was hard.
This is good for sliding.
Mm-hmm. And falling down and hurting yourself. Watch out, it's wet there. Might be thin. Mm-hmm.
That's fun.
This boy's gonna fall in. And you know what? I think you're wearing the same pants you were wearing last time you fell in. Those are your unlucky pants. My poor tent.
Look how far I am.
Mm-hmm.
That scared me.
Yeah, enough of that.
That's actually fun.
You're a doggy. Watch this. Wait, what? What's wrong with this dog? There we go. Come on, crazy. What are you doing, girl? Don't jump on me. Oh, you're all wet and dirty. No, no, no. Oh, goodness. Look at that doggy. Man, now that I got a little off, I always forget to check for fingerprints on my phone. on my lens.
Are we making a live?
No, I'm not making a live. It's just a regular video. Dang it. Even crushed his tent. Yeah, it's heavy. So it looks like I'll be digging this out. Here's the good eating, Snow Boy. Good. Sancho's. I'm okay. Sancho's dog tracks look like bunny tracks. I thought I seen rabbit tracks for a second. I was like, oh yeah.
Wow.
You're gonna weaken the ice.
What did you say?
I said you're gonna end up falling in.
You said weak.
Yeah, I did. He fell down the slide. I heard it. You fell down the slide?
It's fun on the slide.
Yeah.
Cause it goes.
See if you can do a super slide on your feet. Whoa! Yeah, without getting a concussion would be nice. Whoa, whoa. Or eating some briar. If you're gonna eat some briar, better let me boil it down first and maybe loosen up them thorns. Oh!
I love that. Are you ready?
Woo!
It's so fun.
Oh my gosh. Well, ain't called 3 Acre Park for nothing. We're not having fun. We're doing something wrong, that's for sure. Iris is held in. Well, poor Onion over there somewhere, probably not too happy. Hopefully it's okay under the ground. You know, being a tuber and all. What's that? Bigfoot was out here. Holy guacamole. I'll do another one actually. Bigfoot. Brush pile. In the future video, eventually this won't be here. Or all this. Those aren't shrubs. Those are brush piles. It looks like shrubs. A shrub a mess. And then here's the main log it came off of, one of them. Timber, whichever you want to call it. Many words for many things. Many words for the same thing sometimes. It's not a onomatopoeia, it's a It's another weird word. Anyways. Almost sounds like a comic. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch me go down. Or watch the ground come towards the camera anyway. Well, yes, it is a well. But it's not coming along too spiffy diffy. We'll get it. We'll get it. And then up in this area right there in that tuffle of trees is going to be the future goat pen. I'm going to size them up and then trim them and use them as natural gate post, fence post. Oh, I just got a snowball in the back. There's the culprit. Yeah. Man, this stuff is so soft. It's good snowball snow. Don't hit the phone, camera, whatever. Oh. You're lucky my hands are full. Wait till I stop recording. Oh, revenge. We'll label this tiny house video. Hashtag tiny house. His house is so tiny he only fit one chair, but man, is that a nice chair. Here, open up. Let's see your Romy the homie throne. Oh, you got some snow on your throne. Alright, well, we're at 12 minutes. I'm not sure how long anybody likes to stay long, but shoot, some of my older videos are like 20 minutes long. I just would get to going. Just talk, and walk, and it's about how this one's probably going to turn out, actually. I'm just going to keep it running. Let y'all go for a walk in the snow, in the woods with me. Get outdoors. See the sights. Boy, it is nice though, the way the snow covered off all the deadfall and the leaves. Only the briars poking up. I sure wish I had me a pair of clippers. I'll go through real quick. Well, I mean, easier than normal, not real quick if you see the amount of briar poking out. Welcome to the back lot of 3AP, the part that hasn't been cleared and whatnot yet. Oh, we have to look for path of least resistance. It's nice. Snow on the logs. Snow all in the woods. Boy, that'd be nice to come across a deer. Seen one on the drive-in. Oh, look, there's deer tracks right there. That's not from the dogs. It's not from the deer either. Those aren't deer tracks. What are they? Dang it. Well, I don't see rooting around, so I don't say it's a hog. At the same time, I don't know what it is, so could be neighbor's dog. There are other dogs out here. Whatever it is, they took off in a hurry. You see that one? It was long. It was a little bit smaller. The shape and design, I'd say it's a bunny track. That's no bunny track. Whoa, maybe it is. Oh man, maybe it is a hog though. It's hard to tell in the camera. You can see too right here, there's a piece of slush in between, so it was 2 points came down. Except for a hog also has one that pokes in the back like that. So I don't know, guys. Your guess is as good as mine. And if you do have a good guess, or maybe even the right answer, pop that puppy down in the comments below and teach me. Because this video is here just for enjoyment, and a lot of my videos aren't teaching videos, sharing videos, and we're all here to teach and share with each other. So in a nutshell, I'm saying I don't know everything, so if you could help me learn something I don't know. Maybe the dogs did come up this far. No. Because that's clearly, that's dog paw. At the same time, this is in a circle, running out with smaller tracks going behind. Can't discount or whatever a coyote. Huh, there's a lot of tracks up there. My dogs didn't come all the way up here. This ain't my dog's tracks. Look at this. What's weird to me though, and I don't know if it's just leaching out of the leaves, but it's yellow. Don't worry, I'm not gonna eat it. I know. Never eat yellow snow. Huh. Well, anyways, we're at about 20 minutes. And unless you had 20 minutes to kill and hang with me. Of course, this is for fun and in the eventuality that I am really trying for watch hours. This would be a good one to throw on the playlist. But also, I am my own biggest fan. I love watching my videos and going back and seeing what I was doing that day and rambling on.